guys. So I had a customer that wanted to know how to get their shop QR code and their link to their shop store within the shop app from Shopify. That's a lot. So it is in the shop settings, which is under your sales channels. If it's not here on the left hand side, just go to the search bar, sales channels, shop. If you want it to show up on the left hand side, you can pin it. You can pin and unpin things as you needed. So to get to the QR code and your link, click View Live. So you can right click on this image and download it, use it on all your marketing materials and everything. And then you can copy this or just click it and it should copy the code for you. Once you copy that code and paste it in a browser, this is what it would show up. So that's the easiest way to get your QR code and your shop link. Also, if you don't have a theme that supports the follow-on shop, here's an example. So at the bottom of his website, he's got the follow-on shop. A customer would get this pop up within the Shopify store. They would add their email, hit continue. Now we'll be getting updates from the shop, in-stock notifications, alert, emails, stuff like that. And now you can see we're following the shop. If you don't have an updated theme that doesn't support it, I'll leave a link to this page here. It's just the basic follow-on shop logo. You can download that logo, insert it into your website, and then you can link it to your code from Shopify in the clipboard. So this code right here. Hope this helps. Have a great day. Like and subscribe.